Hi, we're Todd and Diane.
We're kicking up a huge feast on our Thermador Pro Rangetop today, and we're going to share with you all the good food we're cooking and all of our favorite features on it.
The Thermador Rangetop is by far the best cooktop. We love it to death.
The great thing about this Rangetop is that it has beastly heating powers. With 18,000 BTU star burners across the front of the Rangetop, we have all the power we ever need for even the hottest sear.
Thermador's unique and exclusive star burner shape delivers superior power and heat distribution. This iconic shape was introduced back in 1998. It's not only attractive, but it's also super efficient for heating. There's much more heat coverage for the whole bottom of the pan. With 18,000 BTUs combined with the star shape, we can boil water super fast.
The pedestal star burner with QuickClean Base is designed for easy surface cleaning and superior heat spread for any size pan. The pedestal star moves the burner from the burner box, making it easier to clean and harder for the food to splatter to burn on. Combined with the QuickClean Base, keeping the cooktop beautiful is a breeze in even the busiest kitchen. There's 50 ports at 16 3/4 perimeter. Traditional round burners have only 28 ports at only 10 3/4 perimeter.
You have the ExtraLow feature where you can literally melt chocolate on a paper plate. It's just incredible. It is the cooktop for people who love to cook. The ExtraLow feature is on 2 burners and is also a famous part of what Thermador has to offer. It is the most innovative simmer technology. The burner cycling on and off eliminates the need to stir when something is on the burner for long periods of time. There's no heat buildup that can burn or scorch. You can even use this feature like a slow cooker. So this is by far my favorite way to cook steak. A super hot cast iron pan, a little salt and pepper. It is perfect. With the Thermador front burner at 18,000 BTUs, it gets it hot. Thermador even has the option for some stylish blue knobs. These are sexy.